got Bob here from Airsoft GI.
Point it up a little bit more.
I'm sorry about that.
How's it going?
Hey, how'd today go?
Went really well. I mean, honestly, it was a really hard fight. Both forces were really well balanced. And honestly, the guys at Ballahack put out a great event.
They did.
But I'm really happy with my team because we pulled on the first W of the Tim versus Bob series.
That was the first one.
That was the first one.
Awesome.
It's been ties and
Glad to help you with that.
So thank you.
Go! Keep going, go, go, go! Take it! Take it! Take it! Set up, set up!
Thank you so much for
How's it
coming
feel to
out.
beat Tim?
Awesome! It's awesome! I don't want to be unsportsmanlike though.
I know what you mean, I know what you mean. Hey, nice meeting you, man.
Thank you so much.